share house. I'm going here today. Hello, good morning friends. It's 8:30 in the morning and today is Ashtami, 8th day of Navratri. It's Dasera, and normally during Dasera, especially at our Nepali's home, we cut goat in almost every houses. That's been a tradition. The reason being that is because in our Dasera festival, after 10th day of Dasera, a lot of guests will be coming in, so we have to feed them. So normally every household will be cutting their own goat. So today I'm at one of my uncle's house, so he will be cutting 2 goats today, and so I'll show you the entire process of goat cutting. And I'm not sure what recipe, because there will be multiple recipe during this festive season. I'm not sure what recipe he is going to make, but definitely I'll be going to share. Either I'll be going to make or I'll be showing if my aunt will make. So I'll show you what's going on right now. Okay, the water is being boiled. He is one of my uncle, Mr. Kumar Chhetri, and he's boiling water for cutting goat. I'll show you the farm. There's kids playing around. Everybody's happy. All the kids are playing here. See, the little cutie pie. And see, the little babies are here. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy because today the actual festival has started, though the Navratri has been started 7 days ago. So this is his farm. A lot of goats, you see. Oh, there are a lot of ants. See, there are a lot of goats here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 goats here. So I think a mixture of turmeric, oil and lime. The blood that it's been collected, so we will be cooking this blood with some, I think, goat intestine today. These guys are dressing chicken here. Okay, see, the doggy is injured. So poor doggy, I think he's been injured by the monkey. They're dressing chicken here, these 2 little guys. This is one vegetable. It can be taken raw as a salad. It can be cooked. It's tasty. And this is called gatta. It's baby pumpkin. It's very popular. It's very tasty as well. All these are organic. She's going to cook today. Actually, I wanted to cook, but she said that you are our guest, so you just sit. I'll be cooking, so I will share her recipe. She's grinding ginger, garlic. This is guava. This is a fig tree. When as a kid we used to eat this fruit. It's very tasty, but this is not ripe yet. I'll see if I can find one. It's given to cows as a fodder these days. We can eat as well. It's a family. I think it's family from of the anjeer family. Anjeer, a famous fruit. And good intestine is already chopped. It's cleaned, chopped, and we will be cooking this now. Right? Let's see. So this will be first boiled. She has added a little bit of turmeric. So she's adding a bit of water. What happens when we boil is the dirt from the intestine gets cleaned properly, and also the smell, the gut smell, will also be eliminated. So that is the whole purpose of first boiling for a minute. And this is ginger and garlic paste. I'm excited today. Okay, while this gets boiled, she is cutting onions. Now this has been boiled, and she's draining the intestine. See, these are the dirt. It got separated from the intestine. Khasiko karchi machi on dasai. Ready to cook. Just pours a bit of mustard oil. And they have cut the chicken as well. There are 2 chicken here. See, 2 chicken breast. These are all from the local poultry farm. Takes a 16 kgs. So she is adding the mixture of ginger, garlic, cumin, coriander powder, and this meat masala. And added the chilies. Tomatoes, salt, turmeric powder, so these are all the ingredients that has been used, and this will be added once this tomatoes gets a little bit of tender, maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, let us check what's the status. The water needs to get dry. So the water has to be dried. So I think it is cooked. As she's telling, it should be done now. Okay, let me taste this. She has given me the taste, whether it's cooked or not. Let me see the final product. Good intestine, and this is what the fat. The taste is on a different level. Amazing. And this is the stomach portion of a goat. It's just so much delicious. This is the larger intestine. All right. So she is finished cooking, and happy Dasara to all of you. Even if I post this video after Dasara, this was shot on Ashtami, 8th day of Navratri. So happy Dasara to all of you, and thank you for watching my video. If you do like it, please comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.